If you want to edit the control center or quick settings on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then here's what you can do. So if you use the classic old style of the control center, then in here, once you fully open this section, you should be able to find pen on the right side. So you can tap over here, and then you can rearrange these tiles. You can move things around. You can just press and hold your finger, and then you can just drag and drop anything in here into a desired place. Below over here we have things that have been not added just yet, so you should be able to, for example, add them into this list as well. Simple as that. And there is not much you can do in here. You can also just reset the layout if you want to return to the standard layout and standard options, but that is essentially all that we have in here. Now, on the other hand, if you use the modern style, then if you want to edit it, you just have to tap on this pen here in the upper right corner, and then we want to choose the edit quick settings option. And here we can do pretty much the same thing, so we can press and hold our finger to drag things around, to add something or remove something from here. And also we have the option to show labels, so you can see the names of these buttons if you don't know what these icons mean, what they do. You can also hide the media player if you don't like it in here, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.